Welcome everybody to Forest River, and we are proud and excited to introduce to you the IBEX. Come with me on a tour today of the 19QTH. One of the great features of the IBEX is the aluminum frame construction. It makes it lighter and stronger. This unit is actually only 5,000 pounds. The other standard part of this unit is the Asdel laminated sidewall on all exterior walls. So it is more durable and sustainable to punctures, fractures, or failures. At the front of the IBEX, we have some unique elements. We're approximately 7 feet wide for comfort with smaller vehicles, with a 60-inch front window, a standard power jack, and a 20-pound LP propane tank. So you can exchange at any gas station across America. The next element we want to talk about with the IBEX is a standard battery disconnect, which for a towable unit under 5,000 pounds is unheard of. Continuing with the external features of the IBEX, we have 13 inches of ground clearance, which is actually really nice when you're doing your wastewater discharge here. Gives you a little bit more velocity coming out. Don't really have to set up the extenders out this way to give yourself the right pitch. And we've also got separated water relief valve gates here. So the great thing about that is the gates are actually at the tank rather than being at the pipe. So normally what happens is the gates that are on the pipe, water comes right up to that gate and you happen to have leaks that can come from that, or your pipe actually freezes and breaks the pipe. Whereas these are on the tank, so that way the water stays in the tank and not in the pipe. With the IBEX, we have 15-inch aluminum wheels. We have upgraded all-terrain tires. We have single-piece steel wheel well insert and an independent suspension system. So with smaller vehicles, you have more comfort in towing. The IBEX is Wi-Fi capable. And moving on, standard on every unit is a 100-watt solar panel with a 1,000-watt inverter. Come on, everybody! On the 19QTH, it's capable of housing a full-size UTV, and you have the D-rings to be able to lock it down. And when you get to your destination, we have a ramp door / party deck for you. So also, when you back out your full-size UTV, we got plenty of seating space. We can throw this down real quick. You're gonna make it into your bed or turn it into your couch. And we got another chair over here. And then when it's dinner time, you got a foldable dinner table. Not only is the rear of the 19QTH the living area, but we also have other standard features, like this 15K air conditioner. Also, a portable JBL Flip 5 Bluetooth speaker. We also have a 12-volt TV and plenty of storage space. With the 19QTH, we have this lovely kitchenette that comes standard with a 6 cubic foot refrigerator, a 20,000 BTU furnace, a convection microwave oven, and we have a dual source vacuum cleaner. We can either plug it in here, or, like my favorite option, you can actually pick it right there and sweep it on up. In the bathroom, we have a full-size stand-up shower with a 6-gallon hot water heater and plenty of storage. In the sleeping quarters of the 19QTH, we have a standard full-size queen bed, plenty of overhead storage, and a cabinet with a standard safe to keep all of your belongings. Thank you for coming with me on this tour of the IBEX 19QTH. Have a good one, guys.